When you feel lazy to document videos, this is what you can do. This is what I personally do as well. Document a 10-second video, delete. Document a 30-second video, delete. Document a minute video, then delete. Now you are high on energy, the momentum, the rhythm you are feeling, or the emotion you are feeling. You are vibrant, energetic, you are positive, you are now confident, or your mind will just shift into from being lazy to now doing the work in the present moment, and you are now in tuned in your emotion. This is how you are feeling inside. Maybe you are more positive or confident. Remember, your brain will always tell you, you know what, feel lazy for today. And many a times as entrepreneurs, content creators, you will feel like that most of the time. The way to break that pattern or that habit is by simply taking the smallest, the necessary action steps so that you can start being more focused on your craft. So remember, this is not just you. Every entrepreneur or content creator feels lazy or frustrated or overwhelmed from time to time. The moment you feel that way, sit in it, feel that pain or confusion or frustration, think about it, and you can give yourself a day or 2 days just to snap out of it. But I would not recommend a day or 2 days. The moment to snap out of feeling like that should happen immediately or an hour or 2 hours later. You simply need to just take action. That is the antidote of how you can stop or end lazy patterns when you are doing certain things. Remember, if you want certain results, certain goals that you have written down and you want to pursue that goals, there will always be the resistance or the barriers trying to keep and hold you back. You need to try to break that pattern by doing something small, doing the smallest of the disciplines. Like, for example, documenting that 10-second video, that 30-second video, that minute video. That way, you are now into the momentum, into the movement of just staying consistent. You will be more fired up on your next video and the next video, and that is how you want to feel. You want to feel in that high energy state